Hey, good morning, Mid-Missouri. We are looking warm today. Record warmth, very likely, as our record is 78, and we're forecasting 80 for a high today. We'll see some partly cloudy skies along the way and a mostly dry day again here today. Wednesday morning here, we're starting in the 50s. We're quickly warming, though, into the 60s and 70s by lunchtime. Notice here as we head into the afternoon, temperatures starting to cross 80 degrees for a lot of folks by 2 to 3 o'clock. And then as we head towards the dinner hour, we've got some slim chance for an isolated pop-up shower showing up here on Future Track. But otherwise, we're looking at a mostly dry day, and we're going to see a lot of sunshine as well. Now, as we head towards tomorrow morning, record is still a word that's going to be in our vocabulary because we're talking about temperatures starting in the mid to low 60s. And that would beat out our record warm start for this time of the year. We usually don't get this warm early on in the morning this time of November. So that would be significant for us. But this is all ahead of our next cold front that's moving in. All this warmth is pushing in ahead of some big cold. And of course, that big change-up is going to bring us some rain along this cold front. Rain arriving by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, potentially Thursday afternoon. And that could keep some folks from reaching mid to upper 70s again tomorrow. Although out ahead of this, we may see those upper 70s. And then heading into about 8 o'clock, you'll see that initial line kind of falling back behind the cold front. It's a sign of a weakening system as we get in towards Thursday evening. We'll still see some showers with a chance at a rumble of thunder or two, but we're not expecting severe weather. We will see some good rain out of this, though, as we push into early Friday morning. Notice Future Track trying to put some blips of blue, maybe some pink hiding around in there. Temperatures not likely to get cold enough for long enough for us to see any kind of wintry mix out of here. We're largely looking at mostly rain, although it's perhaps possible we could see a flake try to mix in to the north near Macon, maybe Brunswick. But overall, it's just widespread cold rain for us late Thursday night into Friday. Overall, we're looking at around a half an inch, mainly in this corridor here, stretching from Truman Lake, Lake of the Ozarks area, all the way up towards Macon and Audrain counties, up towards Quincy. Again, that's going to be about the best. Outside of that corridor, you're looking at a quick taper towards the south and the east, most of us picking up less than a half of an inch. So again, the bigger impact from all of this is going to be the cold air that settles in behind. Take a look at Friday's temperatures, topping out in the 40s in the afternoon, but we feel like low to mid 30s for the middle of the afternoon on Friday. It's looking chilly. And then if that's not cold enough for you, we get a little cooler on Saturday, and it's looking perhaps just as breezy. And then as we head towards early next week, we're starting a little warmer, but still well cooler than normal.